We're here at Turpentine Creek Car Show in Eureka Springs. It's an all Mopar car show. We're going to go out here and take some shots, and I'm going to take you along with me on the good old chest mount. So we'll see you. All right, let's go see what shots we can get. Two lime green Chargers here. Two Daytonas. A couple twins. This white cat over here's got my eye. Let's go over here. I'll definitely have to get some pics of that too. We'll go get this cat first. Let's try this. It's the only thing about having the hood up. To me, it just throws everything off. I'm gonna try something different here. Let's do the passenger seat to the steering wheel shot. One of my favorite shots anyway. Let's get them fuzzy dice. Love this color, man. Got the wheel turn. Okay. Let's go look at this.
Pick up your solid oxygen item in a few minutes.
Digging these.
Okay. Yeah. It's our third for a spa treatment here at a local. Trying to hear me as much as I am. So. Okay.
But yeah, that's just kind of the rundown of this show. All Dodge show, so kind of knew what you were gonna get here. Chargers, Challengers, Jeeps, but we had a few different cars show up, but super nice. That is today's video, man. First video that I've ever posted. So if you like it and you want to see more of this POV style video, me shooting pictures and showing you around the car show, just kind of what's out here, let me know, and I will be sure to post some more.